Okay, good morning guys. So now we just left our I just left my hostel for lunch. Just woke up. Sad thing is last night in the capsule there was someone fighting. Oh my goodness. How could you be fighting in a hostel? Everyone was asleep. It was 2 a.m. I think someone was drunk and there's a fight starting out. Lots of running here and there in the corridor, and you do know that how thin the walls are, right, in hostel. These are basic hostel etiquettes. Like, you have to behave yourself. You have to take care of others as well. Like, be mindful. So I complained to the front desk. Yeah. Well, the party involved has actually checked out, so hopefully I can sleep well tonight and possibly extend my nights here. Okay, today's weather is equally hot, 36 degrees. I have no idea. I'm like, what's the point of showering, man? The moment you come out of your hotel, all wet. Okay, let's check out our nearby hotel area. What's there to eat? Okay, this trip I haven't eaten any restaurants yet. The most expensive meal I've ever eaten is like 300 baht. That's the maximum, which is 12 Singapore dollars. I've always been eating street food, small shops, and food courts. Food courts here are very cheap. I mean, you have to go to the right one. Terminal 21 is cheap and nice. Lots of variety, clean, lots of seats. You can try there. Just make sure to bring your cash along so you can top up the cash card over there. Yeah. Okay, let's walk. If you guys have any questions about Bangkok, do let me know, because I don't know what you guys like to see or like to know. There's so much videos out there I believe you guys have seen, but what do you guys really want to know? Okay. It's so much better with this umbrella. I mean, cools down the temperature. Some street food, corn. Okay, this street at night, there's quite a lot of street food. Open until 12 midnight, 1 a.m. about there. This is just near a station. Let me tell you, where is it? Phaya Thai Station. I think so. Yeah, Phaya Thai. Oh, this is recommended by the lady. Let me see. Looks good. Hello. Prices are okay. About 80 baht. Let's keep walking. Some beef soup here. Mala soup, no, too spicy. It's my breakfast now. Okay, reasonable. 50 baht, 80 baht. So for a main dish, I usually pay 50 to 80 baht. 50 to 100 baht. 100 is on the high side. Anything in a restaurant is about 100 plus and above for a single dish. I don't really go for restaurants because, hey, come on, I just want to eat something cheap, nutritious, and move on. Budget trip, you know. But eating food court doesn't mean the food is bad. Okay, there's so many people eating there. And the food courts here are filled with locals as well as tourists. So, and the seats are widely available, clean and air conditioned. That's the best. Because I hardly like to eat under the hot sun or by the roadside under the hot sun, because I'll be sweating all the way. Okay, this is Phaya Thai Station, BTS area. So once you alight, there's only 2 bridges. Yeah, I'll let you see the logo. Phaya Thai BTS. I have viewers telling me that they can't hear me clearly, so I decided to bring out my earphones. Yeah, thank you for the feedback. There are people really watching it, and I'm so thankful that the content is actually being watched. I mean, it'll be sad that you post it and no one actually watch it. Oh well, nothing too serious, it's just me posting, but you just want to know your audience feedback sometimes. Oh, I think there's a train coming up. Take a look. Alright, sorry. How do I cross? Today is I believe it's the 3rd April. Very soon, there will be Songkran period where people pour water on you. I hope to escape that if I'm having my electronics with me. But I'm looking forward to it if I'm still here. Prices are going up, but still manageable, I guess. Airbnbs are... They do have Airbnbs here, but it's getting more and more limited. I mean, unless you're able to stretch your budget. Okay, so if you keep walking straight, let me see, where am I? Okay, too hot.